Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss like what is the merge and what is the rebase. I will show you the example merge as well as the rebase. So git as the git rebase and git merge, both of these commands are designed to integrate the changes from one branch into another branch. As example, suppose that we are working in any branch and some of our colleagues changes make some commits in the master branch. We have got some data updated code in the master branch. We will pull that code. So in that case, our feature branch code got changed. Our feature branch code as well as the master code both have a different file. Means some additional code we will get in the master code. So when we are required to merge these both codes, then in that case, we require to use the git merge or git rebase command. So now I'm going to show some examples using the git. Now this is the master branch. So let me create one feature branch. So what I can use here, git checkout -b and then one branch, that is feature branch. Just created one feature branch. And if I go here, check log history, you can see both feature as well as the master branch just hit like on same commit. Both hit are on same commit. Now I am going to create some file here in the feature branch, like feature. I created one feature. Here I am using feature one. Added one line, feature one. Now I need to check in this code. So I will run git add -dot, then git commit -em, and this is the F1 commit. Now let me show you the graph. Here is the graph. Feature is one above and child of the master branch. Now all the codes, we have one new commits in the feature branch, and our master branch is one commit behind the feature branch. Now let's suppose that someone updated some code in the master and we get the pull from the remote repository. So my master code will update. So here I'm going to add some file, going to do one commit in master. First I need to check out master. I checked out here and going to here like M1, one commit. Let me add all git commit -m M1. If I show the graph, now you can see master is head pointing to the latest commit and feature is different commit. Both branch has a different tree structure. So if I go here, now you can see this is the M2, where is master, and here I have created one feature file. So at that time, feature file as well as the master both are pointing in same commit, but I have added one commit in the feature branch. Now it's pointed to the F1, this one. And here at that time, master was at this position, means features base root is the master M2 commit. But I make some changes, I found some changes, and now M2 master pointer moved to the M3. So both pointers are different, and both branch has some different codes, some additional codes. So now we can merge master branch into the feature branch. We need to update our master code into our feature branch, right? So here how we do that. We can do this in two ways. One is the using merge and second is the using rebase. So first here I will show you the merge. So let me check out the feature branch. I switched to feature branch. Now I need to run merge master. Git merge master. Yes, so master code is got merged into the feature branch. Let me show you the graph. Here you can see master code is got merged into the feature branch, and here is one additional commit I noticed here in feature file. This is the merge commit. So if I look into the graph, so now M3, all the code which we have in master at M3 commit merged into the feature branch, and our graph looks like this. So here I am getting some fog. So this is not linear. Here we are using two branches, but when we have multiple branches, so it's very tough to track the changes, commits, every commits need to track. This issue resolved by the rebase. So when we use the rebase, in that cases, our graph will looks like different here. This is the like concept when we use the rebase. So at that time, let me show how our graph will look. Initially, there is master. I check in the code M2, and here is the M2. M2 at check commit M2. I have created one feature branch, and in feature branch committed one code like F1, and also got some additional code. Now it's master is M2. Both branch has different code. Now we need to merge using the rebase concept. Now let me show you. Let me delete this branch. How we do that? Git. Let me switch. Git checkout master. Git branch -d. Here I need to because our feature branch is not fully merged into master. The feature branch is the latest branch. That's why it is showing we need to merge the feature branch into master branch. So I can use here git merge feature. Now if I go here in graph, so you can see here feature as well as the master, both are pointing to the latest commit, that is merge. In that case, because there is no additional code in the master, all the codes are already added, merged into the feature branch. That's why it's just to move the head. And if you go here in next graph, so master will just move into the M2 commit. it will not add any additional merge commit. It's just move the pointer to feature branch. Right here we have asked when we have commit merge F1 master branch code into F1, at that time this is the commits. So now when I move the merge the master into the feature file, it just move the head to the master, because there is already all the master code will be available in the feature file. So it's only move the head. Now let me delete the branch -d feature. Feature branch is deleted. Let me create one new branch. Git checkout like feature one -b. So this is the shorthand. This will be first create the branch with the help of using master code, and then it will switch to the master. I am going to add now new code here. This is like feature 2. Let me commit this. Git add -r. Now git commit -m f2. Now let me show you a switch into the master. I am going to here again update some code in the master branch like m2 git add -r git commit m2. Let me show you now the graph, how it looks like. Here you can see both. This is the feature branch and this is the master branch. So I have some additional code in the master branch, means there is one commit, and in feature branch I have also one additional commit. So both parent commit is same, but the current commit is different. Let me check out in feature. Feature 1. I switched in feature 1. And it is the feature 1. Now I need to merge the code master into the feature file using feature using rebase. Let me rebase this master. Rebase updated successfully. So let me show now graph. Here you can see now there is not, I am getting the fork like this. So it means it just move this commit, this reference from here. This will move and add it to the end of the M3. And here the feature branch is representing. So this is like just a linear graph, right? There is not any fork and I am getting linear. So it's very clear for everyone can track in one single line, and there is no additional commit that is merged. Earlier we have got one, when merge the commit, we have got one merge commit, but here I'm not getting merge. It just rebase all the code at a master latest branch. Sorry, latest commit, just rebase. And our graph is a very linear. So this is a very helpful rebase command, and this will make the graph more linear, and developers can easily track the changes as well as the history of the commits. So thanks for everyone watching this video. We will discuss more rebase command in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.